How to factory reset iPhone without Apple ID. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, what you can do to try this is go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and then tap on your name at top of your screen and then tap on the sign out option and further go ahead and enter your Apple ID password if asked. If not, then you can go back to settings and then tap on general and then on transfer or reset iPhone. Here you will see the option for erase all content and settings. Simply tap on it and erase your all content and settings. And just in case, if you have forgotten your password, then you can open your preferred browser and tap on the search bar and search for iforgot.apple.com and reset it using your email or phone verification. And if you have forgotten your password entirely, you can also check devices where you are signed in with this particular account and then go ahead and recover your account from there too. And if the phone is locked to someone else's Apple ID, that is the activation lock, then this happens when Find My is still linked. So you can simply ask the legitimate owner to remove the device from their iCloud account, or you can contact Apple support with a proof of purchase and Apple will unlock it without proof that you own it. And just in case if you want to erase the phone and don't care about the data, then you can put your iPhone to recovery mode. So connect your iPhone to a computer and then force restart into recovery mode. And then you can go ahead and tap on the restore option on your Finder or iTunes, and this will remove the data and the Apple activation lock will be removed. So this was about how you can factory reset iPhone without Apple ID password. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.